Today we're going to show you what's called the ATP test. It stands for adenosine triphosphate. That's a chemical that all living things leave behind. When we run the test, if we see that ATP is present, that means that that surface has bacterial activity on it. Now, we use something called the ATP tester. And before you ask, it's very expensive. And it's in excess of $2,000 for this, and it's about $2 to $3 per test. So let's take a look and see what the test results show. We're going to compare a common disinfectant spray, a disinfectant wipe, and the Carico Clean machine. Let's take a look at the results. We're going to use the ATP tester to test two common types of cleaning, a disinfectant spray, a disinfectant wipe, against the steam. What we're first going to do is we are going to take a sample of the unclean surfaces so that we know what our baseline is. So the first section was measured at 2111. The middle section was 1025, 1025. Okay, and the final section, which we're going to clean with steam, had the highest number of 3,564. So what we're going to do is we're going to then apply the cleaning products, the spray here, the wipes here, and then we'll clean this with steam. I've already shaken this up so that we apply it and use it according to the directions. Let's make sure we wipe it all off as best as possible. Even extra cleaning, more so than you would normally do. Next, we'll do this section with the wipe. Again, we're going to clean it extra more than you normally probably would. Okay, now we have to wait according to the instructions for up to 10 minutes to allow those disinfectants to work. Okay, so we've waited the requisite time for the materials to work, so now we're going to retest the surface. Okay, so the first section we did with the disinfectant spray and the extra wiping. It was reduced significantly from 2111 down to 394, but still well outside of what we would consider a safe zone. So now we'll test the disinfectant wipe area. Okay, the disinfectant wipe, again, it significantly reduced it all the way down to 720, but again, well outside what anyone would consider the safe zone for food preparation. All right, now we're going to move to the steam cleaning, and another benefit of steam cleaning is we don't have to wait for it to work. We're going to clean it, and then we're going to test it right away. So there's no downtime. So here we go. So another benefit with the steam is we're going to remove any excess moisture as well. Okay, so now we'll go ahead and test the area I cleaned with the steam. Okay, so if you remember, this section was over 3,500, and now we're down to 11, which is in the safe zone for food preparation. These tests clearly show what we already knew. The Caraco steam products are the absolute best way to clean and sanitize any surface in your home or business.